Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here, and this Monday special, I have something simple, something very simple, and it's good. So let's look at it and see. Okay, it's in the year 2017. The first thing, no confirmation. The full plan is very good. Let's look at it in the year 2017. Okay. At event 586, they play single two in machine. They play a lot of things on the way, but for me not to waste time with all these things, we move from the single two. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 weeks down. 22 weeks down from the single two. Then they play 70. So the 70 player at winning, that is event 607. So you count 3 weeks or 4 weeks down. Let's say 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3. You see a number here, that is 62. There is a number here that is 62. We'll play. Following week, then they play single 9. They put 10 in each machine. Following week, the 81 will go under the single 9. That is group 9 and then group 9. The 81 will go under the single 9. So following week, we are here. So you can see our single 2 that we saw first over there. The single 2 will come and play as one of the bankers. Then the 70 itself will come back and play as a full banker. So on the event, you can see the 62 that I told you that I play over here. That is group 7, group 8. That group 8, that is 62, will come back and play with each counter. So on this particular event here, you notice that the single 2 that come to play with the 70 is showing that the 62, 70, and then the single 2, 70 and 62 supposed to be the 3 numbers on this event before the 62 play with each counter. So you can see the counter is also there. That is 17, the same group 8. So you have group 8, and then group 8 on the event. 3 group 8. Okay, on the event do. So you can see the 17 being another banker also on the event, and then the 62 from the top to come and play. So now let's move straight to current in the Monday specials current at event 892. At event 892. That is in machine. We see the single 2 play again in machine at second position. Then you count 22 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and then 22 weeks down. Then they play the 70 again. You see the 70 play over there. So as the 70 play, you count 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3. Then they play here instead for the 70 62 to play. They play the counter rider. They play the counter rider over here. That is 17 instead of the 62 that play. So you can see the group 8 become 2, the 80 and then the 17. But following week, then they will play the single 9. Put the 10 in machine, then the 81 will play under the 9. That is group 9. So following week, that single 2 will have to come and play as a full banker. The 70 will play as the main banker. Then they add the 17 here. That is forming the 3rd number. So you notice that the 17 will come and play with the single 2 and then the 70. To form the 3 numbers. So you notice that the first one is the 62 that they use as the 3rd number before the 62 counter to the 17. Here, the 17 will be the 3rd number. Then the 17 will also counter to 62 to give the 4th number. You see, so that's why I'm adding the 17 to the 70 and then the single 2 to form the 3 numbers. Whilst they are all on the event, and even if you go for picking, you will see that the single 9 play, they put 81 under it is the 17 that they pick. So the 17 will have to play with the single 2 and then the 72. There is a double 4 on the event. Somebody will see it and say it's a repetition. I'm using this event even because of this double 4. If you remember plan I showed, double 4 supposed to repeat. If the double 4 play, it usually repeats with either with the counter or the 47. I recently posted but I did not play. The double 4 usually repeat and play with 47 or the counter, that is 89, and also with 42. The 44 supposed to repeat and play with 42. So the repetition is still on the event, no shaking. It's on the event to form the strong numbers on the event. So this is the event that I'm using, event 612, event 612, and numbers on the event are 70, 17, 62, double 4, and then single 2. Going over it again, event 612, and numbers on the event are 70, 17, 62, double 4, and then single 2. As I already said, the 62 over here supposed to come with the counter. The same, the 17 over here also supposed to come with the counter. The 62 and the counter is 62, 17, and then 17 with the counter is also 17, 62. So it's the same thing. So hopefully we get the wins from this particular nice plan. Okay, bye for now.